Alright guys, I'm gonna teach you today. Alright, maybe you guys already know, or whoever don't know, this tutorial is for those who doesn't know how to grow hydroponic coriander in-house all day, all year round with simple method. This is a celebration container. I don't have two celebration container. I have one celebration container and another heroes container. You need two of them, either one, two heroes or two celebration, or one heroes, one celebration container is okay. So first thing you have to do is you need two of them, and you need to make plenty of holes like this on one of them celebration container, like I did. Look at this. You need a drill bit, either a drill or you can do it with the hot nails. Either way, you need to make plenty of holes in one celebration container. And simply you just put one on top of this like this, and you need some growing medium. I'm gonna put some you need to put a tissue on it and put some growing medium, either any kind of soil, potting mix, or I'm gonna put coco peat on it. Since I'm gonna try to grow indoor, so it's gonna be coco peat and 50% coco peat and 50% perlite. 50% coco peat and 50% perlite. And I'm gonna put my nutrition here. That's all. And I'm gonna let you know the upgrade later. Alright guys, like I said, I'm gonna put a tissue paper on top of this container, so the growing medium, it doesn't fall through. And I have coco peat here, coco peat and perlite mix. Already I have pre-mixed it. Simply I'm gonna put it here. That's it. Alright guys, my growing medium, my pot and everything is ready. Here is my coriander seed. I have soaked them on the water for a couple of minutes only, 5 or 6 minutes. Normally what people do, soak them for, it's recommended to soak them for at least a couple of hours, but this is recommended, but I'm just trying without soaking them. I'm gonna just try to grow them without soaking. I hope they're gonna grow in this way anyway. So let me show you how I just tried to germinate them. And that's it. After that, you wrap it well with wrapping element, wrapping foil, and put some water on it, on top of it, and hopefully the coriander will germinate in 6 to 10 days, I believe. And I'll show you the progress video. Alright guys, today is November 27 morning. I think it's 1 o'clock in the morning. this is the update of my hydroponic coriander or cilantro, whatever I say. I'm gonna give you another update in about 2 weeks. By this time I hope it's gonna be grown up and edible. Anyway, some of the cilantro I think I can these are edible already, but I will give another update and end this video. I think by looking at this video, anybody could grow hydroponic coriander and use indoor coriander all year round. And meanwhile, I can show you how big the root have grown. You see, this is the roots grown already. They need to grow little down more, and these are the water. I have put little bit of hydroponic feed there. That's all. Okay, thank you very much. Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of this video series. I mean, this plantation method of hydroponic coriander, cilantro. As I have shown you earlier, I have plucked a lot and I have eaten a lot of coriander, and this one is already early flowering, so I'm gonna eat all of them and restart the hydroponic coriander in this bowl again and again and again. This is how you can grow coriander in your home all year, any season. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. I will show you my next update on my hydroponic coriander method. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.